traders, what's going on? It's Relentless here, and welcome back to another video. I'm tuning in all the way from Atlanta for this one, Atlanta, Georgia. The vacation's been going well, but today's a trading day, right? Today is a trading day, which means it's back to business. I've already missed one day, which was Friday, which I didn't really like. Because I ended up missing my flight, unfortunately, right? I unfortunately missed my flight. What an experience that was. I mean, I don't think I've ever been that angry before, right? You got trading, which is this field where being angry is literally the enemy, right? It's the enemy of discipline. And so I tried to keep my cool. I stayed, as calm as possible beforehand. But once I knew I missed the flight, from that moment, I was just, my mind was gone. And so I'm gonna remember that, and I want to take the lesson with me moving forward. Whether in trading, outside of trading, I always want to try my best to keep my cool, stay calm, assess the situation, and make the next best decision to, to get myself where I need to be. So it's Tuesday. I believe it's the 1st, maybe the 2nd, I believe, of June. And it's a trading day. I feel pretty good. I do have a slight cold, which is fine. But I'm ready to rock and roll. I'm ready to go. So I'm gonna catch you guys down there in the station. Okay guys, that was a bit of a shorter intro right there, but my alarm had actually went off and I thought it was for 9 o'clock. But it was my 8:45 alarm to remind me to move the car to the right side of the street. But of course, that right now that's a little irrelevant. But I'm here trading from the basement, right? I think it's a pretty cool setup here. For those of you who are into construction, and some carpentry and that kind of a thing, I feel like it's a cool style, right? And the best part is that I'm right below the router. So that's the good thing. The internet speed is pretty good. And for those of you who are wondering, I'm staying at my aunt's place, right? I'm staying at my aunt's place here in Georgia, right? In Atlanta. So when it comes to live streaming today, right now it's 9:05. I haven't entered the chat just yet. I'll do that in about 5 minutes time, as I'm having some issues logging in. But I'm wondering if I should go live from my cell phone. The only thing, of course, is that I will be just like this, as opposed to screen sharing. But I think this is better than nothing, so I'll attempt it. Like I mentioned, the only bad thing is that I have a cold, a pretty bad cold at that, not the usual cold. So, I'll have to warn everyone tuning in. But I'm not seeing anything moving right now. This is what the setup is looking like here. Right? This is what the setup is looking like. So we got the traveling laptop and one extra screen. There is another screen. He just didn't bring it, right? My older brother, he didn't bring it because this is his setup. And the mouse. We forgot the mouse, which is not too much of a big issue when it comes to getting into trades, because as long as I'm using Shift Z and hovering over here to hit sell, it's not a big problem. But it definitely would have been better to have the mouse to maneuver to the charting a little easier. But I didn't want to go to Walmart, so, I'm kind of just here, going to rock out with what I have. But so far, so good. We'll see. Right now, it's just a matter of, will we see momentum? It's 9:07. It's a beautiful day to trade, as you guys know. It's always a beautiful day to trade. So tuning in from the basement, a little bit of a weight room back there that I did not even utilize so far on this trip. But so 9:07, I feel good. I feel ready. It's been a while, I feel like, right? A couple of days, a little bit of a longer holiday here with Memorial Day being Monday. It's been a while. I'm ready to go. I feel like I've been overdue when it comes to just getting back into the market. So, with that being said, I'm going to catch you guys. I'm not even sure the style of video that I'm going to be doing here, but be sure to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next segment. All right, guys, it's 11 a.m. and I'm back. I'm finished trading for the day. It's been a pretty good day. I'm green at 264.54 in 2 hours. Well, excuse me, 1 hour of trading, really. 1 hour of trading. Couldn't have asked for a better day here on the vacation. I think I did a good job when it comes to coming in, understanding the situation. I'm not where I usually am when it comes to being comfortable in my setup and having everything that I need at my fingertips. And so being that things are slightly different, I wanted to take it a little bit more easy. So I stick to my small size of just 300 shares. Didn't look to increase. You guys know all I've been talking about is using bigger size as the market is heating up and once the market is hot. But recognizing the situation, even though we had a couple of good days, still want to proceed with caution, still want to take things slow and not rush the gun, right? Jump the gun. And so it's been a pretty good day. I'm going to take you guys outside to get a good look of the area. Right now, once again, I am trading from the basement, but it's pretty big down here in Covington, right? In Covington, Georgia. The houses are huge, man. We do have some bigger houses in New Jersey, but when it comes to the prices down here, it can't be beat, man. It cannot be beat. I'll probably have to ask to get the square footage, but it is huge. As you guys can see, the basement is not quite finished, but this room definitely was going to be a bit of a home gym. But I'll take you guys outside. I'll catch you guys in a sec. Man, it is so bright out here. But this is the neighborhood, guys. It's pretty clean, very cool, calm, quiet. This kind of stuff is very inspiring, man. When it comes to what it is that a lot of us are trying to achieve when it comes to financial freedom, and just being able to live certain lifestyles that we want to live. When I do take these vacations, that's the one thing that always pushes me. You know, it kind of I'm always encouraged, right? I'm always motivated, but it lights even that much more of a flame under me, man, because this stuff is what it's all about, you know. Being able to live where you want to live how you want to live, do what you want to do, how you want to do it, at any point in time, right? And so a lot of us have that goal of financial freedom. And so, you know, when you are out in the neighborhood, and it's a beautiful neighborhood, huge houses, you know, it's one of those things that really gets you going. So I'm gonna head back inside. A quick sneak peek. Covington, Georgia, guys. Beautiful, beautiful. So I'm in the garage. Whoa, whoa, with the puppies. These two little rascals. We got King and we got Bella back here. No biting, no biting. King is the calm one. Bella is the more wild. She loves to play. Sit, sit, no. All right, guys, so I'm back inside, finished playing with the dogs. It's been a beautiful day. It's been a good day. I do want to quickly touch on again, missing the flight and, you know, not having what I needed to properly do the videos and doing at least 2 to 3 videos down here. So that's on me. It's one of those things where I got to look forward to being better, right? In similar situations, just keeping my head clear, knowing that it's not the end of the world, and things are okay, things are fine. It could be worse, right? So being grateful, being thankful. It's been a beautiful trip. I've been out a couple of times. The area is really nice. Everything is going well. But tomorrow I will be back home, and we'll be back and be better than ever. I will be ready to go. I can't wait to see what this next hot market has in store for us. I'm looking to push myself to the limits, as you guys know. How well will we do, right? It's not even a question anymore of will we be able to do well. It's a matter now of how well will we do. So with that being said, guys, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you are new to the channel. It's been Relentless Trader, and I am, of course, signing out.